Tonight we had a really interesting, a very triggering guest lecture by my friend Adam Leyland from Coventry University at our MBA International Athens University of Economics and Business program. And this is a first step, let's say, in a long-term cooperation between the universities that we are trying to establish. And the topic was on strategic leadership and the challenges that the NHS faces. We had a lot of interaction with our students, and we had people online from the other side, from UK, from Coventry University. And you know, would like to share with you we really got hands-on the feeling of how strategic leadership is the single most important factor for changing an organization. So I really thank you, Adam. This was very challenging and gave us a lot of thoughts for how we change organizations. So, you know, what was your feeling about the interaction with the students?
Well, I thought the students gave us some great questions, and they really applied the learning of the theory exists on strategic leadership. And we're asking questions related to the NHS and how that worked. Obviously Brexit came up and strategic leadership associated with Brexit and how that has impacted upon the NHS and the decision making needed.
I loved your answer. I loved your response. There's not enough time, political time, for people to work for the NHS challenges because they had the Brexit challenge. I mean, that was your answer if I...
Yeah, absolutely, and it is a challenge. Time is always a major factor, and one of the things which really resonated with me with the students was the recognition of reflection being most important for strategic leadership, and understanding that plays a sole element in 10 principles altogether, but that was the one that I thought really struck a chord for people to recognise that it's okay to take time out. It's okay for our well-being, and it's okay for us to have a work-life integration rather than just working or just having life separate.
It's a requirement, I'd say. I mean, it's even stronger.
Yeah, I'd agree. I definitely agree.
So I thank you so much, and let's do it again soon.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Thank you.